Students, welcome back to DPS online English class of 12th grade. Dear students, in the last class we have discussed about the poem After Apple Picking in brief with the poet Robert Frost introduction. Today we will go for the explanation of first 13 lines of the poem with revision work. So, let us begin with the poem After Apple Picking. Yours. First two lines of the poem. My long two pointed ladders sticking through a tree towards heaven still. Explanation. The first couple lines seem to suggest that the speaker is still picking apples, which is strange when you consider that the title says after. At any rate, he has one of those old fashioned ladders with the 2 points at the end that you have to lean against the tree. The top of the ladder points towards heaven, which is a strange detail for him to mention. It immediately gives the poem religious overtone. You might think of Jacob's ladder, a biblical story in which Jacob dreams of a ladder up to heaven that angels climb. God stands at the top of the ladder and tells Jacob that he and his descendants will be blessed. Line number 32 6. And there is a barrel that I didn't fill beside it, and there may be two or three apples I didn't pick upon some bough. But I am done with apple picking now. Explanation of line number 36. There is a barrel, which means a container, next to the poet that hasn't been filled yet. Clearly, the speaker has been filling barrels with apples all day, and now he feels this obligation to fill the last barrel. The barrel stands next to the ladder, which is supported against a tree. In addition to the empty barrel, there are ripe apples still hanging from the tree. By seeing those apples, the poet thinks at first he should not stop apple picking, and he filled the last barrel. Now he thinks not to pick the apples because he is tired. Therefore, he has decided to stop apple picking for the day. Line number 7 to 8. Essence of winter sleep is on the night. The scent of apples I am drowsing of. Explanation of line number 7 to 8. The line 7 begins with the word essence, which means fundamental quality. These lines are very important as they might cause us to re-evaluate where the poem is set. It is night time and the speaker is very tired. The poet compares his approaching sleep to an essence or smell that wafts. Wafts means drifts through the winter night. Not surprisingly, this essence smells like apples. At this point, we have two options. Either the poet falling asleep on his ladder in the orchard as night falls, or he is in bed just thinking about being out in the orchard. Keep these two options in the mind throughout the poem. Line number 9 to 13. I cannot rub the strangeness from my sight. I got from looking through a pane of glass. I skimmed this morning from the drinking trough and held against the world of hoary grass. It melted and I let it fall and break. Explanation line number 9 to 13. In this line, the speaker remembers how earlier that morning he went outside to get drinking water from his truck. Here, truck means a long, narrow container of water from which animals drink. That is right, his water doesn't come from a tap. The night was cold enough to freeze the top layer of the trap into a sheet of ice, and the speaker picked up this sheet to get at the sweet, sweet water beneath. Then he held up the ice sheet and looked out at the world. Through it, the speaker saw the frost covered grass distorted. Here, distorted means to change the shape by the mirror of the eyes. It is like looking at a funhouse mirror, except it is not really a mirror because he is looking through the eyes. Then the ice started to melt, probably from the warmth of his hand, and he let it fall and break against the ground. All these things make the poet vision strange. Today we have studied the explanation of the poem from line number 1 to 13. It is enough for today. Now we will go for the revision work about the poet's introduction and some questions of the poem. Revision question number 1. In which year Robert Frost was born? Option A 1865, B 1874, C 1859, D 1492. The correct answer is B 1874. Question number 2. What was Robert Frost's middle name? Option A Edward, B Lee, C Sam, D Nemo. The correct answer is B Lee. Question number 3. Where was Robert Frost born? Option A Danville, Virginia, Denver, Colorado, C San Francisco, California, and D Hendersonville, Tennessee. The correct answer is option C San Francisco. Question number 4. How many times was Frost awarded the Pulitzer Prize? Option A 1, B 2, C 4, and D none at all. The correct answer is option C 4. He was awarded with the Pulitzer Prize 4 times. First in the year 1924, then consecutively 31, 37, and 43. Question number 5. Which was Frost's first published poem? A. After apple picking, B. Road not taken, C. My butterfly, and D. Christmas tree. The correct answer is C. My butterfly. Question number 8. Where is the narrator in the poem? Option A. In the apple orchard, B. In the bed, C. Somewhere else, and D. In his study room. The correct answer is in the apple orchard. Question number 9. The form and meter used in the poem is option A tetrameter, B iambic pentameter, C lamp meter, and D trochemeter. The correct answer is iambic pentameter. There are 5 feet in the lines. Question number 10. How would you interrupt the ladder in the poem? The correct answer is option C ascending into heaven, approaching death. These questions are for your revision work. You need to note down all these questions in a sequence. Thank you very much, dear students. It is enough for today. Goodbye. Take care of you.